From Nice Public School. Today I would like to share my thoughts about the need to save environment. Our environment consists of natural resources like soil, water, air, so on plants and animals are also do their part of our environment due to increasing human population. Environment is getting affected.
And my dear friends, my name is Saima Mam. Today we have gathered here to celebrate World Environment. I am thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity. From Singhpora. I study in 6th standard in Nice Public School Khanpeth Singhpora. World Environment Day. World Environment Day is observed by around 143 countries across the globe on 5th June every year. Since 1974, World Environment Day is हम बहुत ही खुश हैं, हमने उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया। बाकी बच्चे भी बहुत ही खुश हैं। मैं अपना बताऊंगी, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। अब ये बोलेंगे कितना, और मैं भी बहुत खुश हूँ कि हमने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ, मैंने भी बनाया। हम सब बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं।